Good evening children, this is Padma from GK Jain Schools. We shall continue with exercise 2.6 of integral calculus from 12th business maths. We saw in the previous class itself, it is having 5 different formulas. In the previous class we did sums related with the first 3 formulas. In today's class, in the next class also, we will be seeing about the rest of the 2 formulas and its related sums. Let's move on to the topic now. First we will see the formulas once again. So hope you all remember these formulas. Now we will see 4th and 5th formulas related sums. In exercise we have completed till 7th sum. Now in today's class and the next class also we will be dealing with this exercise only. Now let's move on to the example sums. Example 2.36, evaluate integral e power x into x square plus 2x into dx. So as usual, first we will consider the given expression, integral of e power x into x square plus 2x into dx. So we had used the 3 formulas and also seen the example sums and related exercise sums. Now the 3rd and 4th formula, okay, 4th and 5th formula. First I have to split what is f of x and f dash of x. Suppose if I am going to take f of x as x square, my f dash of x will be 2x, right? If I take f of x as x square, f dash of x will be 2x. So by type 6, we are now in type 6, 4th formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. If it is in this format, I can write the answer directly as e power x into f of x plus c. So I am having the same format, right? See, e power x, f of x, this is my f of x, that is x square, f dash of x, that is, this is my f dash of x, 2x. Now shall I apply this formula directly? So this will be e power x into f of x. What is my f of x here? X square. So I have written x square. So the answer will be x square into e power x plus c. So these sums might be asked in 3 marks. Now we will see example 2.38. Evaluate integral e power 2x into 2x minus 1 by 4x square into dx. Now once again I will consider the expression. I will split it in such a way so that I can apply the formula. So 2x minus 1 by 4x square is equal to, I am splitting the numerator and denominator. See, 2x by 4x square minus 1 by 4x square. Now 2 and 4 will get cancelled. X square, x will get cancelled. So 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4x square. Now I can take a 1 by 4 outside. So this will become 2 into 1 by x plus minus 1 by x square. Why I am taking like that is because see the formula here using type 6 5th formula, that is e power ax, integral e power ax into a f of x plus f dash of x. So if I am going to take 1 by x as f of x, then what is f dash of x? 1 by x means I will write it as x power minus 1, right? X power n formula is nx power n minus 1. So what is x power minus 1? Minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 1 into x is minus x the whole power minus 2, which I can write it as minus 1 by x square. That is nothing but my f dash of x. That's why we have splitted this and we have written like this. Now I can apply the same formula over here. So integral e power 2x into 2x minus 1 by 4x square dx is equal to, I can take the 1 by 4 common outside, integral e power 2x, that was given in the question, into 2 into 1 by x plus minus 1 by x square. That is, this is my f of x and this is my f dash of x. Now as per the formula, I can directly convert this as e power ax into f of x plus c. So e power, what is my a here? 2. So e power 2x into f of x. What is my f of x? 1 by x. So I am substituting 1 by x plus c. Now I can write this as e power 2x divided by 4x plus c. Okay. So we have to bring to this format. See, a into f of x plus f dash of x. So only I have taken 2 outside here. See, in this place this 1 by 2x has become 2 because I have taken 1 by 4 outside, right? So this 4 and 2 when it is getting cancelled, when this 4 is coming inside, this 4 and 2 when it is getting cancelled, I will get back the 2 here. So that's why we have done it over there. Now we'll move on to the exercise 2.6. 8th sum. We have done till 7th sum in the previous class. Today we will see the 8th sum. Evaluate integral x e power minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 by x power e plus e power x dx. So reading the question itself, you people will be thinking that it is a very twisted sum. Now it is very easy. We will consider the expression. See, I can write this x e power minus 1 as it is, let it be. But this one, e power x minus 1. So I can split the base and write no. So I will write it as e power x into e power minus 1. What is e power minus 1? e power minus 1 can be written as 1 by e also. So that is what we have done. In the next step, I am going to take this 1 by e outside. So taking that 1 by e outside, here there is no e term at all. So obviously you will get a e term multiplied over there. So that when I am taking this inside, 1 by e into e and e will get cancelled and I will get back the original term. Okay, and plus here e power x divided by x power e power x. Now we will once again move on to the type 6 formula 2, that is integral f dash of x by f of x dx can be written as log of f of x plus c. See here also, when I differentiate x power e, what is the x power n formula? X power n is nx power n minus 1. So here x power e, then what will happen? E power e into x power e minus 1. That is what here. So when I differentiate this, I am getting this. When I differentiate e power x, I am getting e power x. So I can use this formula and write it as log of f of x. So I will write it as log of f of x. What is my f of x? X power e plus e power x plus c. So I have written it as it is. Now I will see the 10th sum. Evaluate integral x divided by 2x power 4 minus 3x square minus 2 into dx. So this is very important twisted sum also. First we will consider the denominator. We will factorize the denominator. Okay, we cannot integrate this directly. Obviously we have to go ahead with the substitution only. So first I will do factorization for this. So when I am doing the factorization, I am getting it to be 2x square plus 1 into x square minus 2. So I am writing it. Again, I don't want this x square and all. So I will never get the answer if I am going to integrate it directly. So what I will do, substitution, putting x square is equal to 2. So when I am putting x square as 2, when I mean differentiating, I will get 2x dx is equal to dt, means in the place of x dx I can write it as dt by 2. Now what will happen to this? This x dx will become dt by 2, that is dt into 1 by 2. So I will take the 1 by 2 outside, I will write the dt here, and I can write this 2x square, instead of x square I can write it as t, so 2t plus 1, and instead of x square I have write it as t, so t minus 2. Now do you remember partial fractions? So now we will apply partial fractions here, a by t minus 2 plus b by 2t plus 1. Taking LCM, I am getting it like this. After this step, what we will do? We will consider the numerator alone. See, considering the numerator, I am getting 1 is equal to a into 2t plus 1 plus b into t minus 2. Now I have to eliminate b to get the value of a, or I will eliminate a to get the value of b. So first what I am doing, I am substituting t as 2. When I am substituting t as 2, b has become 0 and I have got the a as 1 by 5. And when I am substituting t as 0, I am getting the value of b. Now I will substitute both the value a and b in the given question. Now I will integrate easily. See, I am individually splitting the integral, taking the 1 by 2 common outside. I will split the integral for the first term, that is integral 1 by 5 I can take as the common thing, write it outside. 1 by 5 integral dt by t minus 2 minus, again here also 1 by 5 integral 2 dt by 2t plus 1. Now see, if I differentiate t minus 2, if I differentiate t, I will get dt. If I differentiate 2, it will be 0. So I am getting dt. Here, when I differentiate 2t, I will get 2 dt. When I differentiate 1, it will become 0. So when I am differentiating the denominator, I am getting the numerator. So using the formula, what we did in the previous sum. You remember this formula? That is type 6 formula 2. F dash of x by f of x dx can be written as log of f of x plus c. See, in this sum itself, we have used the substitution, partial fractions, and also the formulas, type 6 formula. So the sum is very important. So after that I can write this as directly log of t minus 2 minus log of 2t plus 1 plus c. Now in log there is a formula, log a minus b can be written as log a by b. So using that I have written like this. And finally what is t? It is x square. So substituting back, I am getting it as 1 by 10 log of x square minus 2 divided by 2x square plus 1 plus c. Now we will see one more sum, last sum, 11th sum, and we will see the rest of the sums in the next class. We will continue with the same exercise only. Integral e power x into 1 plus x into log x e power x dx. So here also we don't have any other option other than substituting. First I will put t as x e power x. So what is dt? I have to use uv method. So first I will write my u here, I will differentiate my v, e power x, plus, and then I will write my v here, I will differentiate u, that is 1. So I am getting it as dt is equal to e power x into x plus 1 dx. So wherever I am having having e power x plus 1, I can write it as dt. So here see the question, e power x into 1 plus x into dx, I can write it as dt. See, I have written it as dt. And log of x e power x, what is x e power x? That is t, so log t. Now you remember integration by parts, we saw in the 2.5 exercise. Using that, what is the u here? Log t. And what is dv? dt. So substituting that, I am getting the answer to be t log t minus t. And once again, what is your t here? X e power x. So substituting it back, I am getting the answer to be x e power x into log of x e power x minus 1. So in this sum, we have used the substitution, also integration by parts, and we got the answer. We will continue with the same exercise and finish the rest of the sums in the next class. Thank you, children.